Hello children, how are you? Had your breakfast? Yes, very nice. Okay, before going to start our class, just I will ask you some questions. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, so if you want to search any place in the mobile, okay, immediately you go to Google Map. Okay, in there, if after typing the place, it shows the place with the help of dot. Okay, so in mathematically the dot is a point. Okay, so it is a point A. Suppose if I take one more point, so that is point B, point C. Observe carefully, these all points are, yes, lie on the same line. Okay, so lie on the same line, it is called, yes, collinear points. If all the points lie on the same line are called collinear points. If I take the points point A, point B, so point C. Now tell me, so these all points are lie on the same line? No. So point A here, point B here, point C. So all points are somewhere. Okay, such type of points are called non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. Okay, right. If I join these two points, okay, if I join these points, one line segment form. So from B to C, yes, and here A to C. What did you observe from this? Yes, you got a triangle. Okay, you know the shape of triangle. So it is ABC triangle. It is made up of 3 line segments. Very good children. So today you are going to learn a new chapter 6, that is the triangle and its properties. The triangle and its properties. Okay, so what is your new chapter name? The triangle and its properties you are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so the triangle is made up of 3 line segments and it is a triangle ABC denoted by the symbol is delta. We can write it as triangle ABC. Okay, so it is made up of 3 sides, made up of 3 line segments. That means it contains how many sides? Yes, 3 sides. What are the sides here? Line segments, nothing but sides mark. So here how many sides contains the triangle? Yes, that is AB side, BC and CA. It contains 3 angles also. How many angles? 3 angles. So that is, yes, angle BAC, angle, yes, ABC, angle BCA, BCA. How many vertices a triangle contains? 3 vertices. So what are they? A, B, C. Okay. So a triangle contains 3 sides and 3 angles. These are the 6 elements of triangle. 6 elements of triangle is 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, now we can see how the triangles are classified. So classification of triangles are based on classification of triangles are based on sides and angles. Sides and angles. Based on sides, how many types of triangles? Yes, 3 types of triangles. So that is scale triangle. scalene triangle, and second one is isosceles triangle, and third triangle is equilateral triangle, based on sides. So we have three types of triangles: scalene triangle. Okay, observe here. So what is the name of this triangle? So here this side, this side, this side. So observe, all these sides are equal? No. So these all sides are unequal. A triangle having unequal sides. So it is called a scalene triangle. ABC is a triangle having unequal sides. So that's why it is an isosceles scalene triangle. AB is not equal to BC is not equal, CB is not equal to BA. Okay. Next, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means, yes, two sides equal. A triangle having two equal sides. So two equal sides. So that is AB is equal to AC. A triangle having two sides equal, such type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. Observe this triangle. These two sides equal, this one different. Okay, na? So it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, tell me, equilateral triangle. Yes, obviously. All the three sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Then such type of triangle is called an equilateral triangle. This side, and this side. All the sides are equal. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Such type of triangle is called an equilateral triangle. If you turn these triangles to this side, so there is no change. So that means this length having how much? This one also same. Okay, na? If you observe in isosceles, only two sides, okay, na, equal. But in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. Right, children? So we have seen up to, based on the sides, how many triangles we have. Now go for angles. Okay, so based on angles, triangles are classified into three types. One is acute angled triangle, and second one is right angled triangle, and third one is obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so acute angle means, yes, this less than 90 degrees. Okay, so here observe in this triangle ABC, all the angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay, so if all the angles in a triangle are less than 90 degrees, then it is called an acute angled triangle. Okay, so right angled triangle. Right angle means, yes, 90 degrees. Okay, so in a triangle, one of the angle is equal to 90 degrees. One of angle is equal to 90 degrees. Then it is called a right angled triangle. And obtuse angle triangle. Yes, obtuse angle triangle means it is more than. So here angle is at B. This angle is greater than 90 degrees. In a triangle, one of the 90 degrees, then such type of triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Okay, is it clear, children? Right. Okay, next median of a triangle. Median. So what is mean by median? Median means, okay children, median of a triangle. Okay, so median of a triangle means the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is a median of the triangle. Okay, let us see what is the median point. What is the midpoint? Okay, suppose it is a triangle A, B, C. So it is here the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle. Joining a vertex of a triangle. So here line segment, now I am taking here vertex A. Okay, the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. Okay, so what is the opposite side of vertex A? BC. Okay, na? So here it is the midpoint of a triangle. That is the median of a triangle. Okay, so the line segment of a vertex of a triangle. Okay, a vertex of a triangle is joined by a line segment to the opposite side is BC. It is the median of a triangle. Okay, what is the opposite side to vertex B? Yes, it is AC. Okay, what is the opposite side of vertex C? Yes, it is AB. Okay, so observe carefully. This line, three line segments are meet at a point. The point of intersection is called a centroid. Okay, na? The point of intersection in a triangle is called centroid. Okay, so the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called median of a triangle. Okay, na? So A to D is the median to BC. So now tell me how many medians contains in the triangle? Yes, 3 medians. How many medians? 3 medians. A triangle has 3 medians. These all medians are lying in the interior or outside. Yes, these three all medians are wholly lie in the interior of the triangle. Interior of the triangle. Okay, next altitude of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle. Okay, in the altitude of a triangle, what is mean by altitude? So it is nothing but height. Okay, height of a triangle. So look here, the perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called an altitude of the triangle. Okay, so let me check that one. Draw first one triangle. Okay, so it is triangle ABC. The perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle. Okay, so take any vertex. So A or B and C, whatever it may be, you can take any vertex. So you have to draw here perpendicular line segment. perpendicular. How the perpendicular is formed? So you know very well. So if two lines are form right angle, okay, so there 90 degree, then we said the two lines are perpendicular. Okay, so here you have to draw perpendicular line segment from vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. What is the opposite side of vertex A? BC. So to BC you have to draw perpendicular bisector, perpendicular line segment. So it is called an altitude. Okay, so this AD is altitude to the opposite side BC. Okay, so what is the altitude for B, vertex B? Yes, you have to draw first a perpendicular line segment to the opposite side is AC. So here one altitude formed. Now what is the opposite side of vertex C? AB. So here also you have to draw one perpendicular line segment to AB. So here observe carefully. So how many altitudes has a triangle? Very good. So it has 3 altitudes. It has 3 altitudes. So these 3 altitudes are only lie in the triangle. Yes, these all altitudes are lie in the triangle. Always tell me all the altitudes in all the triangles. All the altitudes will lie lie inside. Just check once. So now I am going to draw some figures. So it is triangle ABC. So here the perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is BC. Okay, so in this triangle you have to find how many altitudes. How many altitudes will form here? Yes, here already one altitude. So that is AD is altitude to the opposite side BC. And for C, yes, at C. So here at B, yes, here. Okay, so this figure is contains 3 altitudes. Okay, nice. So these all altitudes are lie in the interior of the triangle. And check here. So one more triangle. So that is ABC. ABC. Here the right angle at C. Okay, in the ABC right angle triangle. So what is the altitude for C? What is the altitude for C? Yes, so that is opposite to the side of BC. And what is the altitude for B? Tell me. So in this figure you have 3 altitudes. So that all altitudes are only in interior of the triangle. Okay, in this right angle triangle, here see vertex C having the opposite side is AB. Okay, so here this C D is altitude to the opposite side AB. Okay, so what about vertex A? Vertex A, what is the altitude to the opposite side? Okay, so here from A to E, it is the altitude itself only. Okay, na? So it is having itself only. Okay, so if you observe here B to E, B is the B to the opposite side. So observe here. Okay, so observe carefully. So don't get any confusion. Here this AE Okay, coincide with the AC. So that means it has AC altitude itself only. Okay, here BE coincide with the BC. That means BC has itself altitude. Okay, so in fact in a right angle triangle ABC, the two right angles are altitudes lie itself altitudes only. Okay, one of the altitude is lie inside of the triangle. In the right angle triangle, two altitudes has itself. So one of the altitude is lie in the interior. If you consider in the obtuse angle triangle, so what is the altitude of A? Okay, so here we have to draw a perpendicular line segment to the opposite side, that is okay, so that is B to D. So here the perpendicular AD. Okay, so here this AD is perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay, now so here tell me what is the altitude here? AD is the altitude. So that means this AD is the altitude to the opposite side BC. Okay, so that means this AD is completely lie in the exterior of the triangle. Remaining, observe here from B to D. So this BD, yes, it is coincide with the BC. So the altitude is itself only. And observe here C, from vertex C, the perpendicular line segment joining to the opposite side, that is AB. Okay, so it is the altitude of AB. So in obtuse angle triangle, you have to observe two altitudes are lying exterior and one altitude is lying in interior. Okay, now so you have to remember in a triangle has three medians and three altitudes. If you observe the different types of triangles, it has different altitudes. That altitudes are lying inside and outside. So we cannot say always interior. So this is the example for the altitudes of a triangle. Okay, na children, is it clear? Nice. So now take your textbooks, all members, page number 113. So try this. You can write here 1, 2, 3 questions. Write the 6 elements of a triangle ABC. Okay, write the side opposite to the vertex Q of triangle PQR. Suppose a triangle PQR. Okay, so side opposite to the vertex Q. What is the opposite side of vertex Q? Yes, so it is opposite side. So Q opposite side, vertex Q opposite side is PR. So next angle opposite to the side LMN. So draw a triangle LMN. Angle opposite to the side LM. So side LM, what is the opposite angle? Yes, angle N. Angle N is the opposite to the side LM. Vertex opposite to the side RT. Vertex opposite to the side RT. So draw a triangle RST. Okay, so RT is the side. What is the opposite vertex? Yes, is the opposite vertex to the side RT. Okay, now you can third one. Look at the figure 6.2 and classify each of the triangles according to its sides and angles. Children, observe this table. Here we have few of the, here you have few of the triangles. You have to write based on the sides angles. Give the name of these triangles. It is a equilateral, scalene or isosceles or acute angular triangle, obtuse angular triangle and right angle triangle. So you can write this all. Okay, so you have to do yourself. Next, page number 114, think, discuss and write. This one also we have observed now. How many medians can a triangle have? Yes, 3. Does a median lie wholly in the interior of a triangle? So just now you have seen, if you take a triangle ABC triangle, so the vertex of a triangle is joined by line segment to the opposite side BC. So the vertex opposite side is AC. Vertex C opposite side is BC. Here these all line segments are meet at point, is called a point of intersection, is nothing but centroid. Observe carefully here how many medians this triangle contains. Yes, 3 medians. These 3 medians are lie interior or exterior. Yes, these all medians are wholly in the interior of the triangle. Okay, so coming to the page number 115, think, discuss and write. So you can do this all in your textbook. Okay, read questions carefully and do this one in your textbook. Page number 115. So 1 to 5 questions you have to think, discuss and write. Okay children, write. Open your classwork books. Keep heading exercise 6.1. Okay, right children. So observe here, first question. In a triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. Okay, in triangle PQR, what is D? It is the midpoint of QR. Okay, so PM, line segment PM is what? PM is the vertex of the perpendicular line segment from vertex P to the opposite side. Yes, that is altitude. So line segment PM is altitude. And what is PD? Yes, it is median. Now, is QM is equal to MR? Both are same? No. So this QM is not equal to MR. So both are not same. Okay children, come to the second one. Draw rough sketches for the following. Triangle ABC, B is a median. So you know that how to draw a median. Okay, so you have to draw rough sketch for the triangle ABC and draw median of a BE. Okay, B is a median in a triangle ABC. Come to the second one. In triangle PQR, PQ and P are all altitudes of the triangle. Okay, this one also you have to draw rough sketch. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. YL. So exterior means outside will come altitude. This one you have to do yourself. And come to the third one. Verify by drawing diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. Okay, so here you have to show the median and altitudes are lie. So in the triangle that should be same. How? You have to show. So isosceles triangle means yes, two sides are equal. So it is a triangle. It is an isosceles triangle ABC. You have to show the median. Median means how you will show the median. So the line segment joining A from vertex A to the opposite side BC. So it is the median of the triangle. And what is the altitude? Same, the perpendicular line segment from vertex A to the opposite side. So that means in an isosceles triangle, altitude and median are same. Okay children, so do homework in exercise 6.1, page number 116, question number 2. Do yourself. Okay children, bye. Have a nice day.